Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. The integration of e to the power of y dy in here. So you got e to the power of y. And we put the bounds from s squared to number 4. So this one I will put in here, and s squared we put in here. Next, s will multiply by this one and this one. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 2. And we have e to the power of number 4 gone here. So number 2 I will put in here. Number 0 I will put in here. So we have number 2. Now we will concentrate on this one. So this one we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and that is about the u equals to 2s ds. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 gone here. And we got about u equals to number 0 when s equals to number 2. So I will put number 2 gone here, and we have u equals to number 4. And now we need to change this integration. Number 2 we change by number 4. Number 0 we keep the same. S squared we change by u. S ds we change by du over number 2. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u. Now, I will put number 4 gone here, number 0 gone here. And this one we have number 1. Now, we go back in here. So, the integration of this one, we have about this one. Now we need to simplify number 2 minus 1 over 2. We have 3 over 2 e to the power of number 4. Negative and negative, we have positive number 1. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you. Oh, sorry. 1 over 2 and number 1, that's about 1 over 2. Sorry about that. And this is the final answer. That is the end.